Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Wonderfully Made. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. Well, about 10 minutes ago, I had on no makeup, but I got something in the mail that I could not wait to share with you guys. And so here we are. Now, before I get started, I do want to say thank you guys so much for your continuous support. I always have to just tell you thank you because I appreciate you guys so much. And to all of my new subscribers, thank you guys so much. Welcome to my channel. And yeah, so today I decided to work from home, and so I got this in the mail and I could not wait to share it with you guys. Now, I will post somewhere on the screen a timestamp if you want to bypass this little story of how I ended up with this bag. I'm gonna call it my little diary entry of a shopaholic. So what had happened was I was perusing Neiman Marcus's website, and I was just looking at different handbags because I knew I wanted to get a handbag for myself for my birthday. And I ran across this beautiful Gucci handbag, and I wrote the name of it down. Let me see what it's called, and I'm going to try to insert a picture somewhere on the screen of the handbag. It's the Gucci signature chain handle tote bag. That handbag is so beautiful, in my opinion. It's classy, it looks classic, it's a timeless looking bag, and I fell in love with it. And it just so happened that this handbag was on sale for 50% off in the color gray. Let me add that it was in the color gray because it's still on Neiman Marcus's website available in the colors black and white, and it is $2,300. Well, this beautiful gray one was on sale for 50% off. I put it in my cart, walked away for a few minutes because I was at the office and I had to do a few things, you know, before I could actually make the purchase. I think I got a call or something took my attention away from checking out with this handbag, and by the time I got back to it, it was gone. Oh my goodness, I had the worst case of FOMO, I guess is what you would call it, the fear of missing out, or the fact that I had already missed out on this beautiful bag at half the cost. And so that led me to searching frantically for a gray Gucci handbag. Okay, it left me searching vigorously for this handbag. Well, needless to say, I could not find it anywhere, and so a friend of mine ended up coming to visit with me. She was on her way out of town, so she stayed one night here, and I was telling her about this handbag, and so she was like, well, let me text my SA to see if they have anything in store. And sure enough, her SA, who actually works at the Gucci outlet store, had some gray Gucci handbags. Now, it was not the exact handbag that I missed out on, but she did send me some pictures of some beautiful handbags, and so hence we have an unboxing. Now, I have not seen this handbag in person. I've only seen pictures of it. It is a brand new handbag. I actually purchased it over the phone, and she mailed it to me directly from the store. So the receipt is in this little black like card here that says Gucci at the bottom. I have her card here, and her name is Anne, and this is the Gucci receipt. And this is what it looks like in the box here. It seems like this is just the handbag, so it is not in a Gucci box, and I'm a little bit disappointed about that. And I'm guessing that's because it was coming from the Gucci outlet as opposed to the Gucci online store. I don't know, but I know they have Gucci boxes at the Gucci outlet store, so I wish she had put it in a box, but I should have asked her to. But it is packaged very securely. I mean, you know, I will give her that. And it is in a very nice Gucci dust bag. It is the drawstring dust bag, so I do like that. And this is my first time seeing it in person, guys. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm in love. This is the handbag. Oh, I am loving it. This is the Emily Gucci leather chain shoulder bag, and it is in the gray color. Oh, it is so pretty. And I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it does have the micro GGs embedded into the leather. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, I love the smell of brand new leather. Oh, so let me just take this off. Oh, this is so pretty. I love this little tassel here with the gold hardware. I hope the camera is picking this up. It is beautiful. And let me take this off of the handle here. This is the bag, guys. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. It is a shoulder bag. Let me read to you guys the dimensions. It is 11.75 inches in length. It is 3.25 inches in width here. And the height is about 7 or 8 inches, 7 to 8 inches. And so this is the medium Emily bag, if I didn't say that already. This bag is discontinued, but you can still find these bags on the pre-loved market. I just happened to find it new at the Gucci outlet, and I love it. I love the color of it. The gray is the perfect shade of gray. It's not too dark to where it looks black, but it's not too light to where it almost looks, you know, an ashy gray. This is a beautiful neutral colored bag. It will go with so many different looks. I wanted something a bit more dressy. The majority of the bags that I have are casual. I do have a couple of bags that are somewhat on the dressier side, but this to me will dress up any outfit. I love it. Oh, the chain, that gold is, it's a beautiful gold. It's not so, it's not that really bright stark yellow gold. It's a perfect shade of gold. Can you tell I love this bag? I'm loving it. It does have the little leather shoulder pad here for comfort, and even with the gold that I have on now, it goes with it. This is going to go with so many different outfits. I am in love. Let me open it up. Oh, okay, so you just slide this little flap here up. Okay, so there is no snap here. I don't know how much I like that. I do wish it had a snap that would snap it shut. In my opinion, that would make me feel like the bag is a bit more secure, that the things inside the bag is a bit more secure rather. But I do love this, and it slides up very easily, so it's very pretty. And so when you open it, it is stuffed. So let me take all of this stuffing out. This is what the bag looks like on the inside. I read online that the inside is a beautiful natural material. I forgot what type of material it is, but it's so pretty and it's very spacious. This size is perfect for what I intend to use it for. Inside here you have one large pocket here, and let's see, so this is basically a care card, a little pamphlet that tells you about the bag and how to care for it. Okay, and this is the Gucci authenticity card. And there's also two pockets here, possibly for a cell phone or a wallet. So I'm going to see if the camera's picking it up. There we go. You see the two pockets on this side here. Very spacious pockets. I cannot tell you how happy I am with the purchase of this bag. It calms my spirit. It satisfies that void that I felt for losing out on the Gucci tote. But oh my goodness, this is a beautiful alternative. I was looking for a handbag that I could use to dress up any type of outfit, whether I was going out to dinner or out with a friend or to church or something like that. So this one is perfect for what I intend to use it for. Okay, first impressions, I love the leather. I love how soft and smooth the leather feels. It's a beautifully made bag. The stitching, I mean, everything is made to perfection in my opinion. I did want to mention that it does have Gucci made in Italy embossed right here in the leather, as well as right here on this pocket here, on this slit pocket right here. It does have Gucci made in Italy embossed on this little leather patch right there. So the two negatives about this bag that I can mention so far is that it does not snap closed. It only slides into this little slot here when you're closing the bag. And also, some people may be turned off by the length of the shoulder strap here. The drop is about 9.5 inches, and let's see if I can just kind of show you guys. Okay, so this is kind of where it falls on me. I do like the fact that there is room underneath my arm. It's not like it's way up here. That is one of the main reasons why I have barely used my Louis Vuitton Artsy MM. Let me grab that. This is my Louis Vuitton Artsy MM, and I rarely use this bag because it's so uncomfortable. Do you see how close it is underneath my arm? And this bag can get uncomfortable really quickly. It's a beautiful bag. I love how it looks, but in terms of comfort, not so much now. But unlike the Louis Vuitton Artsy MM, this seems to be very comfortable. I love, it's a very comfortable drop in terms of underneath your arm and wearing it as a shoulder bag. You can wear it in the crevices of your elbow as well, or you could just carry it, you know, carry it like that. I am very grateful for everything that I have. My family and I, we work very hard, and so it's such a blessing when I am able to, you know, treat myself to something like this. I do not take it lightly. You know, we don't have it like that where I could just be dropping thousands of dollars a year on handbags, but I am so grateful to God for blessing me and my family so that I am able on occasion to treat myself to something like this. And so yes, but that's all I have for you today. I've rambled on long enough. And as always, guys, remember that you are fearfully and wonderfully made by God, and He loves you, and I'll see you in the next video.